In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional CV in Microsoft Word. Let's start by opening Microsoft Word and choosing a template. Head to File, then New. In the search box, type Resume or CV. Word will show a variety of clean professional designs. Take a moment to browse and pick one that matches your style and the industry you're applying to. Look for a layout that's easy to read, with clear section headings and good spacing. Minimal graphics and simple fonts usually work best. Once you've chosen, open the template so you can begin customizing it. Next, replace the placeholder text with your personal details. Enter your name and add your contact information, such as your professional email, phone, and address if you choose to include it. Keep everything consistent in style, match fonts and sizes across your header for a polished look. If the template includes a space for a professional summary or objective, add a short one, to two-sentence statement that highlights who you are, the value you bring, and what type of role you're seeking. Keep it concise and targeted. Now move on to your work experience. In this section, list your job titles, company names, and the dates you worked there, from start to end. Under each role, add bullet points that outline your key responsibilities and achievements. Start each point with strong action verbs and be as specific as you can. If you improved a process, led a project, or exceeded targets, mention it clearly. Keep your bullets focused, readable, and relevant to the role you want next. After that, fill in your education. Include your degree or degrees, the institution name, and your graduation year. If it's helpful and space allows, add relevant coursework, honors, or distinctions that support your qualifications. Make sure the order and formatting mirror your work experience section so the whole document feels cohesive. Add your skills section next. List relevant technical skills, software, tools, soft skills, or languages. Keep it short and scannable using brief phrases. If the template offers other sections, such as certifications, awards, or volunteer experience, add those too, as long as they strengthen your application and fit the layout. Finally, save your CV as a Word document. Go to File, choose Save As, and select the .docx format. Give your file a clear name so it's easy to find later. Remember to save periodically while you work to avoid losing any changes. That's it. You've created a professional, well-structured CV in Word that's ready to tailor for each application.